Most of the time, no network, searching, or no service issue occurs due to SIM on network providers. So usually removing and reinserting SIM card on the iPhone solves the issue, or you have to wait for network provider to solve it. But sometimes these issues occur due to software glitches, which you can solve by yourself. In this video, we will show you how you can fix no service problem on iPhone 11. If the iPhone is not updated to latest version of iOS, it could cause certain software issues, which in turn could cause this problem. One of the best way to fix minor software glitches on iPhone is doing a forced restart. It should fix no service issue. Quickly press and release the volume up key, then volume down key. Now press and hold the side key. Keep holding it until you see the Apple logo. You can reset the network settings of your iPhone 11. Launch Settings. Go to General. Scroll down and tap Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings. Tap Reset Network Settings. Your iPhone will take auto restart. It would reset all the network related information like Wi-Fi network and password, connected Bluetooth devices, VPN and cellular network settings. You have to re-enter them again. So guys, these are the ways you can fix no network or no service problem on iPhone 11. That's it for now. We hope you liked the video. You can check out our iPhone 11 playlist for more videos about it. Keep following Apple Tricks for tips and tricks for Apple and Android devices. Thank you.